All right, to add voice to PowerPoint, what you do is after you have your PowerPoint pulled up, you go to Insert, and over here under Audible, you can record audio. And then you just type in a name. For mine, I put my initials and then what slide it was. And then you just hit the button here, this little red dot, and it will pull it up and it'll start saying your length here. And then you can stop it, you can play it back, or here, if you press the red button again, it will record over it. If you want to save it, if you like how it sounds, then you press OK, and it will come up with this little microphone here. And then you just kind of move it to wherever you want. If you decide after you've added it that you don't want that, you just delete it. So that's a little tutorial on how to add audio to your PowerPoint.